Law in a Minute, Chapter 7 versus Chapter 13.
I'm Mazyar Hedayat. Welcome to Law in a Minute. Today we're going to be talking about the differences between Chapter 7, otherwise known as liquidation, and Chapter 13, plan of reorganization. Chapter 7 is the opposite of Chapter 13. In Chapter 7, you're conducting a hypothetical garage sale, which means you're identifying all of your property for the trustee, and it's the trustee's determination whether there is sufficient unclaimed, non-exempt equity in the property to put it out there for that hypothetical garage sale. The point is to generate as much cash as possible to pay your creditors. Once Chapter 7 is done, and it's usually in and out within 30 to 90 days, your case is over and you have a fresh start.
Chapter 7 is a hypothetical garage sale. In Chapter 7, you have to liquidate certain property. It's the fastest form of bankruptcy. Your creditors' meeting is in 30 days. Discharge of debt is in 90, and it's the least expensive form of bankruptcy.
Chapter 13 is the opposite of Chapter 7. In Chapter 13, you get to keep your property because you're paying for it for the most part, especially secured property, which you have to pay for at the same rate as you did before you filed bankruptcy. And if you're behind, you have to catch up. With respect to unsecured property, you're getting a plan, which means you have up to 5 years to pay it, often as little as 15 cents on the dollar. That's the basic difference between 7 and 13. Thanks for listening.
In Chapter 13, you get to keep all your property, repay your creditors under a plan of reorganization that lasts 3 to 5 years, and repay as little as 10%, and it's more expensive than Chapter 7.